umubyeyi wacu akaba ashitse akavuga ati saluto umubyeyi wacu z'abarundi akaba avuze ati turashikiriye umubyeyi.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So my name is Tekan Kifers. I'm from Burundi. I'm student. I'm single. I study day at Ngozi in faith. By now, I'm going at fourth. Me, I'm about going to tell you my poem of going at 2014 to 2016. Your excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. And your respect to the delegation, the representative of Burundians abroad, most honorable Samuel Ndailagije from there in diaspora Holland, and your respect to the delegation. I'm about going to tell you my poem of going at 2014 to 2016. Oh, you my fellow companion in everything under the sky that carries us all. Whether you are young or old, I kindly ask you, come, let's walk together. Come, let's go together where our song is great than what I was told. I don't know exactly where we are heading, but if for good or Burundian, let's move. If you have a knowledge, bring it. If you have a gift, use it. Your talent is not same as mine, but still come, let's go together. What we are is the path. Come, let's go together where we emerge the world and that used to criticize and speak ill of Burundian. They lived carelessly, thinking couldn't make it, but let's prove them that we can. Let's go tell them, never underestimate us. Come, let's unity our willpower, so it's part to change our behavior. The destination we're heading is not a dream. It's not fantasy or the postulates or even talent one share the ship with. Share this thought and reach the vision. If you understand it like I do, don't hesitate. Come with me. It's not too far for those who are ring, and it's not too cold for those who are resist. If you understand, come with me. It doesn't require to change a place, but to change a mindset and embrace unity. And if even the leaders and those in power improve, no one will compete in a listing development. I'm a voice of tomorrow, reaching beyond border. I call on all Burundians to lie together. Let's stop corruption and be trust hero. Let's put justice and integrity first. Unity is our pillow. Talent is a gift. Knowledge leaders use on the path to progress. Let's have us work from our feet and talent to build strong infrastructure and open up to the world. Let's strive for peace and trust among us. May 2014 to 2016 not be dream, but our reality. Before we head in there, let's get know each other. Me and the peer of regional future, Itekani Kifers, great grandchild, grandson of our hero, Peter Nkurunziza, a son of excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. So now, how should I consider you? Thank you, Your Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye, and your respect to delegation. Thank you, Samuel, for bringing this competition in this Bujumbura. And we thank God's help, Samuel Ndailagije, bring us this competition in a Burundi good country. Thank you very much. And we thank God's help, Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. And we thank your respect to delegation. And you, Excellent General Mayor, I come to take picture with you. I would like going to say in a Kirundi, in a mother tongue. Shaka nyakubahwa Perezida w'igihugu cyacu cyiza cy'u Burundi, munyemerere nze kubafata n'ifoto yanje namwe. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Irashitsa Gift Prince ndi umuvyeyi wacu akabashitse akavuga ati saluto muvyeyi wacu. Sebarinda akaba avuze ati turashikiriye umuvyeyi. Akaba ari iteka Nikifa Lucien ava mu ntara ya Butanyerera akaba ashikiriye umuvyeyi wacu, bikaba biteye igomwe kuraba. Akaba rose nico yari yasavye agafoto ari kumwe na Sebarundi umuvyeyi wacu. Nashaka nsabe abari mu mugwi wose wo gucapa